Hello guys, so welcome again, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a poof for the Ethiopian hairstyle, which is let me say the albasos, the real albasos. So we're gonna make the puff inside, the inside puff, and this is how I'm gonna do it. So first of all, I'm gonna make the strand first, like this one here. So this is how I'm gonna make it. I just have to make it to be a one strand cornrow that way, and then I'll be using crochet and Brazilian wool. If you have the other wool, the other thread, it will be okay also, but today I'm gonna use Brazilian wool because I have it here now immediately. Yeah, so that way, then you're gonna use crochet and Brazilian wool. So move it fast, and then this is how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do a crochet here like this, just simple. It's not a must you use crochet, you can even just wrap it around, but if you want it to be fun, then you have to use this method. This is how I'm gonna do it, and then I have to pull, so I have to crisscross it that way, and then I do crochet again that way, and then I pull again. So if it's like that, you can make it to be on the same level, and then after that you can make it in this manner. I don't know how I can explain it, but yeah, you can make it this way if it's possible, and then you start wrapping the thread, but yeah, sometimes it's stubborn there at the top, so I think the best way you can do, you can use a rubber band to put it up there so that it can give you what you want, okay? Alright, so you do a rubber band in this manner, just a small rubber band, and then you continue. So the rubber band is just helping you to get the fun part here at the front or at the beginning, and then you can cut it curving around like that, you see, and then like this, it's easier for you now to start wrapping the upper part that way. So just use another Brazilian wool and then make it that way, and then be wrapping like that. You just have to wrap it like that completely until where you feel like, okay, now this one is okay with me. Yeah, you can put a knot where the wool is ending, and then you can still add another wool if you want. Yeah, for this one you can also add it to finish the ends, but not completely at the end, because it's not supposed to be that long. Yeah, so that way I think that size is good. So when you put a knot, make sure you put it very firm so that it will not come out. It's not that good, but yeah, I've tried. Yeah, because I got a lot of requests on how to make it. So you see guys, that's how it looks. You can cut the ends, or you can leave them like that, or you can make just a cornrow there at the end, just in case if you want to make it to be longer, then you can just wrap it later, okay? So that way, and then after that you can wrap it on your hands, or yeah. So I'll be showing you a short process where you can add it on the client's head, and this is how we go about it. So I'm gonna show only one line, guys, and this is how it goes. So let's watch and see until the end. it looks. So thank you so much. If you have any question, please just comment on the under comment section, and then I'll get back to you. Thank you so much for your support. God bless you. Bye bye.